The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? The Lord is the defense of my life, whom shall I dread? Napansin nyo, every time you start doing or praying and even talking to God, minsan kung sa dami mong kinakatakutan, you don't start with your fears, you start with God. Are you following? Kaya even do sa Lord's Prayer, Our Father who art in heaven, hindi siya nag-start na, Lord, patawarin ninyo ako. Oh Lord, katatakot na po sa problema ko. Oh Lord, maawa ka sa akin. Hindi, He started with Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. He started praising and magnifying God. Para lumiit lahat ng mga bagay-bagay sa paligid natin at malaki ang Diyos. Amen po? Now, pansinin nyo, even with Nehemiah. Si Nehemiah, pag nagpunta kayo sa Nehemiah 1, after mabalitaan niya, sirang-sira ang Jerusalem, ano sabi niya? Pray siya kaagad. Pinuri niya agad si God. Talagang wino-worship niya si God. Siya ang inuna niya. Ganon din naman sa Acts 4:24. Sa Acts 4:24, sabi sa kanya, huwag niyo na i-preach si Jesus. So they were threatened. And yet, when they prayed, they started praising God. They want to magnify the Lord. Kaya sa atin din ganon. Kaya minsan din natin bine-verbalize how good and great God is. Kasi hindi naging totoo sa atin, but you have to remind yourself, God is so great and powerful, and He is my Lord. He is my Father.